last Gram Panchayat meeting, it was decided that people are allotted for the cattle, and this time the Gram Sabha has given land and money can earn by villagers. We will also take care of their school to repair their schools and roads, and the problems of the Gram Sabha will be discussed now.
3.
Problem number 1 about education.
Punch. As you know, there is education and school, but there is no facility and safety in school. Children are not safe. Education is not proper. You should do anything for this.
Thank you for letting me about this huge problem. We will build boundary in our school for safety of children, especially for girls. We will provide some resources like book, dress, notebook, and we try our best to provide all facilities to children.
Thank you.
Problem number 2 about clean drinking water.
Respected Panch and Sarpanch, in our village there is no clean drinking water and there is too many garbages collected in the river and wells. So can you please solve this problem or arrange a clean drinking water for us?
Thank you for letting me know. This is a critical issue. We will solve this by arranging water tankers to supply clean drinking water or try to construct new wells or bore wells. And we will also discuss with local authorities about it to connect village to the nearby water pipeline. And we make some rules like to don't throw garbages in river or well. By this way you can get clean drinking water.
Thank you, Panch and Sarpanch.
Problem number 3 about child marriage.
Respected Sarpanch and Panch and my all dear villagers, today I am going to declare to you a issue about child marriage. In our village of Ward, there are so many parents who force their children from marrying instead of studying, and especially girls. And because of this inequality in the children's mind, there is no word of education. And if this will be continued like this, then our society will be too low and the children who are marrying in this age will never become a better citizen. So we request you to solve this problem as soon as possible, because this is the responsibility of the Gram Panchayat to know the identity or the problems of the villagers.
Okay, as a Panch, we will try to make the situation better as we convince all the parents to send their children to school, and we also try to make it compulsory, especially for girls. And for child marriage, we will soon take a hard step for this, and we told parents to send their ward to school for their better future.
Thank you.
Problem number 4 about electricity.
Dear Panch and Sarpanch, as you know, in our village there is no electricity and children have a problem to study. So please solve this problem. For telling me this problem, firstly we will take the revenue from the government and we organize more transformer for the village, and we also organize the solar panels for every houses, and we make the powerhouse. Thank you.
Problem number 5 about water scarcity.
Respected Panch and Sarpanch, I want to declare my problem that there is a water scarcity in a village, so people cannot get the water, and we need a help to supply waters in the village.
Thank you for letting me know about this. We will solve this by constructing water storage tanks or ponds to collect and store rainwater. And to solve this, we need your help. You people, please try to save water as much as possible. And we will also convince more people to save water. And during scarcity, we will try to provide water tankers.
Thank you.
Problem number 6 about road management.
Respected Sarpanch and Panch, I want to discuss an issue about road management. As you know that roads are cracked and very pits are also there. So that's why many accidents are also happening. In last week in an accident 2 men were died. So please maintain the road and tell what are your advice.
Okay, thank you telling me this. I will try to make the roads properly for the entire village, and we are heartily sorry for this situation to be held, and we promises that this situation never be held again.
Thank you.
Problem number 7 about sanitation.
Sarpanch and Panch, today I want to declare an issue with you that is about the sanitation. So please solve this problem. Why the people are splitting anywhere? The public toilets are dirty. There is no hygiene. There is not too much public toilet facilities as well.
The public toilets and implementing the waste management system, promoting hygiene and sanitation practices, and ensuring that the village remain clean and healthy.
Thank you.
Problem number 8 about hospital.
And Panch, you know about one boy, he his leg is fractured and he not got best facilities, and in our village there is no hospital in the near. So what can I do?
Thank you for telling me this problem. Firstly, we will take the revenue from the government and we organize the health camp for the peoples, and the health camp will be free of cost, and we provide the medicines to the people who have disease, and we make hospital as soon we can make, and we try our best to provide facilities and the doctor. Thank you.
Thank you, Sarpanch and Panch.
Problem number 9 about social equality. Respected Panch and Sarpanch. My question is, in the last few years, I have seen some parents discriminated between their children. They always give priority to their boys compared to girls, whereas both equal in all matter, especially in study. What will you do in this matter?
Thank you. We will solve this as it depends on people's thinking, but we will try our best to convince or motivate the people to not do partiality between girls and boys. For this, we are going to organize a program to centralize this major issue.
Thank you, Panch and Sarpanch.
Problem number 10 about child laboring.
Panch and Sarpanch, as you know that in our village the children are doing laboring, so that's why they can't take time for study. So what can you do for this problem?
Thank you for letting me about this problem. We will convince parents to send their children to school and think about their future. We also motivate children to come to school, focus on their aim and achieve their goals. We try our best to provide all resources as well as facilities to children.
Thank you, Panch and Sarpanch.
Problem number 11 about lack of nutrition.
Sarpanch and Panch. Most of the children in our village not got the proper amount of food nutrients because of poverty. Please solve this problem and save the children of our village.
In the health of the students, we will organize the midday meal in the government school of our village, and we will construct a water plant for the clean drinking water. Thank you.
Thank you, Sarpanch and Panch.
Problem number 12 about cutting trees.
Panch and Sarpanch, as you know, in our village, so many trees are cutting and the pollution increasing day by day. What will you do for the solution?
I thank you to tell me this problem, and I assure that I will talk to the government to make a rule and make a tax on the activity of cutting trees on the people's standard, so the people cannot cut the trees and the pollution will not increase from nowadays. And as a Sarpanch, I promise you.
Thank you, Panch and Sarpanch.
वासियों को मेरा प्रणाम. By talking with punches, I am coming on the topic of conclusion. For education, I am going to talk to the government to make government school with good teachers, facilities, with less cost. And for clean drinking water, my last decision is that I will take some little bit of revenue and permission to organize some water tanks in our village. For child marriage, in our constitution there is written the people above the age of 21 can marry. This rule is also followed in our village, and if anybody violates this rule, will be punished in our village. For electricity, I will talk to the government to organize some powerhouse, transformers and electrical towers in our village, so the people of village can get the electricity easily. For water scarcity, I assure that the water availability will send to the houses through hand pumps and underground pipeline of water. Road management, as a Sarpanch, I promise that I will take the road of the entire village, and this type of situation will not happen again. For sanitation, I am promoting hygiene and sanitation practices and ensuring that the village will remain clean. For hospital, I will say to the government to make government hospitals, and it will be free of cost with all facilities and good doctors. For child laboring, I will convince parents to send children to provide all. आप सभी का धन्यवाद.
For now, Gram Panchayat ends.